Hello, parents and educators. I'm Josh Ochs, and I want to walk you through the anatomy of a great website. You see, in our website workshop, we teach you and your student how to build a great website so that they can shine online. I built a sample website at joshochs.net that shows you how we do this, what we do, and ways to make sure your student stands out. Now, we all know that at an early age, when your student is thinking about college, it's time for them to be planning their resume. And that'll keep them from misbehaving online. The data suggests that if your student has something that they build around their positive identity, that they'll behave less badly if they are presented with an opportunity to do so. So we work with students. Here's Brendan Craig, a good friend, and he's now a college freshman. And he built this whole thing, and we worked with him to make sure we could show off all the great stuff that he's done. Here's Emmy. Emmy is Southern California junior in high school, talks about her volunteer work, how she interviewed and recently traveled all over the world. And she's done a great job of highlighting her volunteer work. Now, the reason why this is so powerful with these two students and another one I'm going to show you is because you find the Emmy you're looking for. You find the Brendan who is, when he was shy, he built a little side business called Food Truck Dude, and it shows all the things that he did to start to become the awesome person he is. Now, you may think, oh, no, when I'm ready for college, we'll do that. Well, these students get it that as early as possible, you need to start building that in your student's mind. And second, you need to start telling Google we're serious. And third, once you're in college, Brendan gets it. I adore this young man. He's awesome. I'm so proud of him because he goes, Josh, I'm looking for internships. I want to do some rad stuff. I want to talk about what I do throughout school, what I did. My past is a predictor of my future behavior. He good kid. I even made one for my 4.5 to 5-year-old nephew. This is Bryson. And we geek out in this workshop. We show you how this should come up on Google and where to put this stuff. We care very much about how Brendan comes up in Google, and you need to know where to put this to have this come up, this clickable link. Also, how to make this whole thing show up. First of all, second, the link, and third, we've figured out some really unique ways to figure out how the paragraph below it, passionate and innovative leader. If you do it wrong, this reads out something very different. So we figured out how to make Emmy do some, make sure Emmy shows up great. My nephew comes up awesome. All kinds of other people. And we want to show you how to do that in this boot camp. And we even test it with me. You could actually see you can see how I come up. I'm Josh Ochs. I travel the country teaching students how to shine online. Josh Ochs speaker, the way we want it to come up. I show you to where to put that and all that stuff. And the reason why it's so important, even at 5 years old, is it gets my nephew thinking about this is who I am. What does your little brother want to be when he grow up? Well, let's talk about it. He wants to be a doctor, right? We're starting to get things thought about, and the right Bryson is being discovered, the right Emmy as a junior, and even as a freshman, we need to start developing this online reputation. No, it doesn't show you where they live, but it shows you that Emmy likes working with special needs, that community, and serving them. And there's a young man that she's made friends with at every one of these events, right? I mean, these are things that are three-dimensional versions of this young woman that you would not get in her resume. So she lobbied on behalf of a school district in Sacramento to make schools safer. She got an internship because of it. That may be on her resume, but you're going to see just this is a leader. This is somebody cool, and Brendan is the same. We're working with students. I hope you'll take us up on this and let us work with your student, whether you just buy the video package in Parent University, which unlocks the website workshop, or whether you hire us to build this with your student. We're going to really craft this. It's psychology, it's technology, and it's the internet together. And we push families to think about, what do you want to be known for? I'm Josh Ochs. I'm honored that you would take the time to look at us at smartsocial.com. I hope you'll sign up and at least learn more about us and take that next step in helping your student to shine online. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.